Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to chat in a Bumble. Now, it's very easy and simple. Once you have your app launched, once you have Bumble launched, you see here at the bottom right, you see chats, okay? And as you can see, I currently have two chats here, and I have some messages waiting for me, right? So we have one from Nicolette and one from Lily. So they started me off with, "Hey handsome." So you can go ahead and reply to them, right? You can send them a video note, can record a video. So you can toggle this on, right? Can record the video. You can go ahead and start a question game with them, or just reply to their message that they have sent. So just reply, let's say, "Hey gorgeous, nice to meet you." All right? And then you can also add a kissing emoji as well. Right, let's look for that. Where is that? There we go. And we can send that over. And that's how, guys, you can start a chat. You can come here and send GIFs. Okay, come here, click on GIFs. You can add those. You can come here and click on images as well and take a photo. Okay, or use one from your gallery. You can go ahead and do that as well. And it's really that easy and simple. You can also go ahead and call them directly through the app or video call them. Good luck.